Hello, and welcome to another B&T unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at the Lord of the Rings Volume 1 for Super Nintendo. Now, as previous mentioned, this was one of the games I purchased off of Facebook in a lot of 5. Total lot was about $80, so divided up, and that's how much this game costs. My biggest interest in this game isn't because it's Lord of the Rings. It is, but it isn't. The movies are great. I've only read one of the books. But the story is actually more, when I was a freshman in college, I was watching this game and wanted to bid on it on eBay. And I completely forgot about the game, the listing when it was ending, until about 10 minutes after it ended. And I think, I can't remember if it was complete. I know it had the game and the manual. I don't know if it was a boxed game. And I was pissed, and it's just been one of those things where I wanted to get, and I finally had a chance. It wasn't that it was out of my price range. There was other things I wanted to purchase, more interested in purchasing than this particular game. But I finally have gotten it, and to give you a retrospective how long it has been, I was a freshman in college in 2004, so it's been a few years I've been trying to get this game. But now I have it, and now I can put that behind the agony of defeat of forgetting to bid. I tried to do a little bit of research, and I think the company that produced this game, not Interplay, but whoever was making this game, I think they went into bankruptcy, or there just wasn't a demand, and there was never Volume 2. If I'm getting my facts right, I read about this, I don't know, 3 months ago, so I may be telling that horribly wrong, but there is no Volume 2, which I was saddened by. But let's take a quick dive into the game and what we got, and then we can go into a little bit the very little information I know about this game. Ta-da! So up front we have Lord of the Rings. It may be a little dusty. Alright, Lord of the Rings Volume 1. Nice RPG game based on the books. This came out before the movies, for all you wondering. It's actually a really good condition. A little minor wear in the corner right here, but everything's pretty straight, even. There's no creases. Back has some very superficial scratches on it. You only see in direct lighting. But the pictures and text are very crisp and clear. This game can actually work with a mouse or the multiplayer adapter, which is actually really cool. So you have up to 5 people playing. That is really cool. Huh. Did not know about that. So take that, Final Fantasy. Wipe some more dust off. But yes, it's very clean, very straight. I'm going to venture out and say this is probably the best of the 5 condition-wise. So let's get it open and see if the condition continues. Alright, box. This one includes the manual, and it is colored. Nice long story about Lord of the Rings, or just this one page. Then your game controls, how you do stuff. I'm going to need to read over this. Then we got some notes. Let's see. West mushrooms and cave have healing powers. So all you playing, mushroom, cave, healing powers. And then we got some more icons. Methods. Oh, I think somewhere in here oh yeah, here we go. So in map A, here's all the clues. We got some mushrooms over here, a green monster and mushrooms. Dagger, I think that's supposed to be mushrooms. Padded armor. Oh, some more mushrooms. Mushrooms are good. Alright, and we got some more notes. Can we get this? Here we go. So green monsters are 8 points. Bats are 2 points. Snakes are 1 point. And wolves are 2 points. So, whoever originally wrote this, thank you. Now I know the point systems. But in all seriousness, I think it's really cool seeing notes from previous owners of the game. So just this, I'm not sure what the password thing is, but somebody definitely went through and took some notes. I don't know. It's to me, it's really really kind of neat. It's really neat if they're notes, if they're like scribblings of some little kid. And I know I would have been like 6 when this game came out. But with some little kid scribbling in it, it looks stupid to me. But if it's actually notes or someone trying to remember what things are, putting the code from the end of the level, I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's part of the history. And then we have the cartridge, which is in very good condition. Other than there's a little bit of indentation on the label. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Let me see. Yeah, you can see it right there. Not that round. That round I think is part of the case. But the one next to it. Anyhow, man, too much. We have nice clean back, nice and gray. This one has not been played, but I have connected to my computer and pulled off the ROM. So the game has been backed up. Digital copy of this, so we're good. And then we have the cardboard tray, which is nice and clean. So that is everything we got with Lord of the Rings Volume 1. Again, no Volume 2. Sad face. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and my rambling. I ramble. I will not beat around the bush on that. It's a rambling roller coaster. But I thank you for taking part in this rambling roller coaster of unboxing of Lord of the Rings. If you enjoyed it enough if you tolerated it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please check out some of my previous videos, such as Speedy Gonzales or maybe even Terminator 2 The Arcade. Thank you for watching and have a good night. Bye bye.